Is quinoa a millet or is quinoa a grain? A question often asked. Well, quinoa is a grain and a vegetarian protein, complete in all the amino acids and rich in fiber too. We use quinoa to make a dosa. So first soak the quinoa for 4 to 8 hours in water. Now soaking helps to remove the phytic acid and the saponins, which are anti-nutrition. In a separate bowl, soak the urad dal with pepper and methi seeds. Now do remember that the water you use for soaking the urad dal is rich in certain bacteria which are going to help ferment the dosa batter. Always remember to soak and strain the quinoa so that the anti-nutritional factors are removed. Now in a mixer jar, take your soaked quinoa grain and the urad dal and grind it into a smooth paste. Let this batter rest for 4 to 8 hours. The fermentation further helps to increase the content of B complex, vitamin C, and also makes the proteins more easy for digestion. Per dosa of quinoa will give you more than 2 grams of complete vegetarian protein. You can have the dosa by itself or try different stuffing variations. Like here I have taken cheese with lettuce leaves. Cheese will give you first class protein, calcium, vitamin A. The lettuce gives you fiber, vitamin C, folic acid, vitamin K. So here is your lettuce and cheese dosa, complete with all the goodness that you require to start your day with. Now, whenever you are making the dosa, you can use the tip of the onion dipped in the olive oil or any oil that makes the requirement of oil to the bare minimum. Remember, a good meal should be rich in proteins, less in fat, good in fiber. The second variation of stuffing has lettuce leaves with egg. Now, for the vegetarians who like to start the day with a complete protein with the goodness of egg, this can be an easy instant recipe. Egg will give you your vitamin A, folic acid, a lot more carotenoids along with the fiber and the vitamin A of the lettuce. So this is a complete meal by itself. You can have this lettuce egg dosa as a breakfast, as lunch, as dinner, as evening snack, whenever you need a good snack. Whenever you make these dosas, go very patient, start from center towards the sides and the dosa is ready. In this particular dosa, I've used more fiber. So we've used lettuce, basil, spring onion leaves, grated carrot and some more cheese. Do not forget to add some lime because all your vegetarian proteins are going to give you much more iron with the addition of the lime juice. Now egg with the vegetables again makes it a complete stuffed dosa. Remember friends that whenever we are combining any of the vegetarian proteins with another first class protein like say cheese or egg or paneer, you are going to get a more complete nutrition dense recipe. So enjoy your quinoa dosa with the egg and the vegetables and you're going to be good to go with good energy and good immunity. Never burn the egg too much. That point I've discussed in all my videos. Now one more stuffing variation is lettuce leaves with cheese. You can use different kinds of spices like I have used chili flakes. You can use tomato sauce, you can use soya sauce, you can use a green chutney. All your herbs and spices are yours to use and try. The more the variety, the more the happiness factor. You can use even if you like Szechuan sauce. I would not mind it because sometimes you want little variety to start your day with. So fold the dosa and stuff it into your packed lunch or for a picnic and you will have a healthy protein and nutrition dense recipe for everybody's delight. Friends, you can try your different variations. Like I often sometimes when I have my dosa batters in excess and for the next day I would use my leftover pav bhaji ka stuffing or I would use my mixed vegetable stir fry. Anything goes well with this basic quinoa recipe. Here I've stuffed it with boiled egg and a palak paneer puree. You're done. This will give you vitamin A, first class proteins, and fiber. Whatever be your stuffing, here I've used paneer with bell peppers, red and yellow. This recipe is rich in proteins, calcium, vitamin C, fiber, folate, vitamin K. Just imagine a little bit of variety, a little bit of thinking, and you can make a simple dosa recipe, fun filled and nourishment galore. If you like my kind of recipes, please, friends, do not be selfish. Share them with your friends and family and see the smiles, the happy smile that come with every face.